Hello and welcome back. I'm sorry about the reflection in my glasses, by the way. I will take them off. I just need to make sure I'm in focus. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing an updated everyday makeup routine for spring because the season has changed. Winter is finally gone. Not that it matters here because the weather fluctuates like crazy. I made an everyday makeup routine a while back, but my makeup has changed since then. I feel like I cut out a good amount of products and then some things I just do differently now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do differently for the springtime. Also, I am a little sick, so sorry about my voice. I sound like a smoker right now, but that's what happens every time I get sick like this, especially with a cough. I'm wearing this hoodie because I dyed my hair, and I will do the reveal. You can kind of see exactly what I did because I'm not good at hiding anything. Good morning, everybody. I know I sound a little rough, but I am literally sick. I didn't go to sleep till like 2 in the morning last night. I'm literally about to go dye my hair for the first time ever in my life, and so I'm super excited. I'm going blonde, like balayage, I guess. I wanted to go like full on blonde, but everyone keeps saying no. So I'll do that some other day, and I will go because my appointment's at night, and it is literally 8:28. I curled it because it looks cuter curled, doesn't it?
Wee wee.
I'm a blonde now.
I'm a blonde now.
I'm a blonde now.
Are you calling me that?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Oh, hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Good thing your house isn't a mess
Welcome
anymore.
back. We know. But yeah.
Yeah. No, I changed it completely.
Sound like
Hello and
SpongeBob.
oh no, hello and welcome back. Hello and welcome back.
you haven't done YouTube in such a long time. You forget your own thing.
I'm editing. I'm sick. Oh, this is my hair transformation video, by the way.
By the way.
By the way, he's made me blush in a matter of seconds. But this is what it looks like inside someone's house.
And then you cut the clip. And this is how it looks like outside. Who should you say sorry to?
Okay. And this is this side.
The profile. Yes, please.
Yes. I went blonde, people. I am now a part of the blonde squad. Let's get started. So in the morning, I actually don't cleanse. Like, I don't use a cleanser or anything. I literally just use water to like get all the crusties off my face. And I skip straight onto toner. And this is the Clean and Clear Lemon Juice Toner. It basically just gently expels impurities and tones skin. It's oil-free, has vitamin C for bright, clear, happy skin. I recently started using it, so I can't really give you like a full-on review whether I like it or not. I like how it smells, I'll tell you that. And it's yellow and it's pretty. Buckets. So I use 2 different serums. The first one is the E.L.F. Beauty Shield. This is an antioxidant enriched skin protection. The E.L.F. one has vitamin C, vitamin E, pomegranate extract, and it helps refine and brighten your skin tone and reduce the look of fine lines. And on top of that, I use the Drunk Elephant B-HYDRA Intensive Hydration Serum. I don't know much about the Drunk Elephant one, but I've been using it a lot recently and I love it. I only use this one serum at night and I really like how it like has my skin feeling. So I'm gonna go and buy the full size, but I really like this serum. And then this has been like a holy girl in my makeup routine recently. This is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist, and I absolutely love this. Like, I literally just ran out and I had to buy this one, so I'm gonna throw that away. Before, I would just spray this on like my beauty blenders if I forgot to like wet them or I was like too lazy to go wet them, and I never used it like for skincare. For a while, I did use it before my makeup, but like I never really paid much attention to it, and I recently added this to my skincare routine after my serums, and I love how this leaves my skin. This is the reason why my skin has been like so soft and like moisturized recently. For under eye moisturizer, I use the B.L.E.F Moisturizing Eye Balm. And like under eye cream is something that I just have to do because I just need this because my under eyes are probably like the driest area of like my face. I really want to try different ones, but so far I've really been liking this one. And the last thing I do is moisturize, and I use my B.L.E.F the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is my favorite moisturizer ever. They have the Aqua Balm, which is meant for oily skin, but I use the moisturizing balm because this is for dry skin. I read that somewhere. I know I read that somewhere. I just had to. Alright, and I'm moving on to makeup. So then the first thing I do is start on my eyebrows. I also start on my eyebrows eyebrows just so all my skincare can like sit on my face, because it does take me a while to do my eyebrows. So by the time I'm finished, my skincare is basically done. But I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows first with some powder because they are kind of sticky from all like the skincare. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out first. So to fill in my eyebrow, I use the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade medium brown. So I just focus all the product on like the tail and the arch. So I will draw like my little arch and then I will fill it in, and I would just brush through the fronts of my eyebrows for the front part. So then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara, and this is just a tinted eyebrow gel, and I like using this one because it kind of helps fill in all the spots that I miss with the pencil. And then I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer, and I'm just going to use this to carve out my eyebrows. So after I've done my eyebrows, I just skip straight onto concealer, and I use the E.L.F 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I've been using this recently. I use the shade Light Peach, which is a little too light for me, and I will mix in a little bit of my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I look really bright on camera, but I promise you I do not look this bright like off camera. It actually like fits, which is nice. And I'll use the NARS concealer to just spot correct, and I'll apply this wherever I have any little pimples or redness, just because it's my skin tone. And then I will set all the concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me Set Plus Smooth powder. So I just set wherever I applied concealer. I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to take the middle shade. I'm just going to go ahead and lightly carve out my cheekbones, slim down my forehead a little bit more, and then my jawline, of course. Alright, the star of the show, I guess you could say, for my updated makeup routine is the blush. So now I kind of make like the blush the focal point of like my makeup routine now. So I apply it to the apples of my cheeks, and I apply it very pigmented, and I also run it around the bridge of my nose, just like the really like blushy effect. And I've been using these two blushes a lot recently. These are the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blushes. I use these shades Fantastical and Just Curious. So I start off with Just Curious, and I'll take a light layer and put that on my cheeks and then on the bridge of my nose, and I'll enhance the shade a little bit more Fantastical and just make it more brighter, more pigmented. And I'll focus this color on like the apples of my cheeks and then on the very bridge of my nose. And for highlight, I'll take any gold highlighter. I'm just going to take my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I just take any gold highlighter, and I will put this on the tip of my nose, the bridge, my brow bones, and the inner corner of my eyes. And I will apply a little bit to my Cupid's bow. Ooh, knock my camera down, why don't I? I don't really apply anywhere on like my cheekbones. I mean, I can if I wanted to. The blush itself is very shimmery, so when I turn, it kind of like does look like I have like highlighter on. So I just avoid adding highlighter. I can't find my liquid lip. Gemini, where are you? I'm not trying to buy you again. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my waterline. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner, and this just helps define my eyelashes. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I wore pink in the spirit of spring today. And the mascara. And the mascara I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I feel like this is one of the best drugstore mascaras out there. So if you haven't tried it, I recommend you like go pick it up and try it, because you're gonna love it. And the very last thing I'll do is lips, obviously, and I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gemini. Oh, I got hooked everything up. And there we go. This is my completed everyday makeup routine for spring. So as you can see, this was my updated makeup routine. It's a lot different from my other like everyday makeup routine because I use less products now, and because I have such like a little baby face, I feel like it just really suits me, and I really like how it looks like with like the blonde hair. I just like how pinky and glowy it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video and you would like to see more from me, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week.
Missing someone.